This lesson describes Licensing Report number 6A, Receipts, Fees, Receipts, Reconciliation by Receipts. To run the report, click on the Reporting button in the main menu. Then click on the Licensing button in the Reporting menu. Select Report number 6A, Receipts, Fees, Receipts, Reconciliation by Receipt. Before running this report, it is important that you understand that if a license is active at any point during the selected calendar year, it will be shown in this report, regardless of whether it was inactive at the start of the calendar year or inactive at the end of the calendar year. It is important to check that the agreement and licensing data entry is complete and correct before producing this report. This report should be produced often and any inconsistencies rectified in the data entry screens. The parameters used to select the criteria for this report are year. We will select the year 2005. Once we've selected our parameters, we will click on the Run Report button. Alternatively, if you wish to be able to carry out your own analyses of the data, you can run and open the report in Excel. This report shows the total payments under the remittance reference made by the company or association during the selected year. It also shows how these payments should be allocated. For example, a proportion for the license fee, a proportion for the observer fee, and so on. And it shows how the payments were allocated. This report can be seen as a balance sheet for licensing fees, as it displays the agreed fees and the fees that have been paid. Finally, the report shows any differences between the receipts and fees. This report is best used as a data quality report for the licensing fees. Check that the total amount in each column are the same, and check that the individual amounts in the agreed allocation column are the same as the individual amounts in the received allocation column. Any differences are easily identified in the far right column, which highlights in yellow any differences between receipts and fees, as we can see on this page. This report should be produced at least once a month and any discrepancies investigated and rectified. That concludes this lesson.